Yo, we got a 2005 Denali. That is going to be the donor vehicle for my 53 Buick. It's going to provide its full drivetrain, minus the 6-liter. We'll swap it out to a 5-liter, 5.3, and I have to chop the frame about 7 inches or so. But it will be all-wheel drive. It will have an LS.
Stay tuned. In this video, we are going to be showing you another project that this Denali is going to be providing some of its parts for to complete a Crew Cab Chevy truck. As well as the end of this video, we will end up doing a highlight of another project that is going to be featured on this channel. So now let's just take a look at part of the breakdown.
Driver's seat for, dude.
Well, then you move.
Alright, we're going. We'll be back. I think my video's gonna turn out. It looks like it's firing towards the back seat.
Oh.
Oh well. Where are we parking this? I was going to try to shut that back door, but I forgot you have your welding lines in there. All right, next up's front end. We can just piece all that back together.